Hello, this is Brian Kim, and I'm gonna present about my capstone project, which is promoting edible insects, the future food. So this is the table of contents, and briefly, I'm gonna tell why I'm so into insects, and what's the inspiration of the project, and why do we need insects, and some project process would explain about community, and the impact of my project process. What was my project objective? So it was to promote edible insects and research what approach would be best method to make people to try the edible insects. So why did I chose this project? Since there's not a lot of research going on in currently, so I wanted to people to have like more research and know what kind of research methods could be best to test if the people could like the edible insects or not. Before beginning, why did normal high school senior me so caught up with the insects? So, telling of myself, yeah, like the insects are kind of disgusting, yet, I think they're like not like their visuals and like the like cultural things that's giving the negative view to the edible insects. I think there's more like additional benefits such as like nutrition benefits or like climate change benefits. They can like overcome this challenge of being discussed. So I think there should be some kind of like threshold should be like get rid of. So I started this project. And talking about myself, I was very interested in environment since I was very young. And by that, I was also like lizard lover, which is this lizard that I used to raise. So their food is insects. So I fed them every day. So I was kind of familiar with insects, and I sometimes like had some thinking of having like trying insects for my food. Yeah. So I was kind of familiar with having insects. So it's not kind of like it's kind of like irregular things for normal people. So I was kind of like special case. And also I love things. I love trying new things. So I want to break some limitation and only have like small spectrum of foods. So I was also like willing to eat like new foods like edible insects. And I had forgotten the edible insects or like environment for like years and years because I had to study and come to middle school, high school, studying SAT APs. And maybe this year, like early beginning of this year, I saw one video from my favorite YouTuber called Ko Jae-young. His video covered eating insects for 7 weeks. So it was very like challenging things in my opinion. And however, when I think maybe some guys watched this video, it didn't shown to be very challenging because he was eating mealworms like daily without hesitation. And actually, I saw the some kind of benefits and kind of like potential of the edible insects from there because actually he gained his muscle like the like muscles power and loses weight as the video shown. And I was kind of interested and that's I think I could try this project for my capstone project. So understanding of the target community. So I chose a community of GEC community. So GEC communities include schools including SJ, NLCS, KIS, BHA students, or teachers. And I chose this GEC community because this is the schools that is very close to me and has also like large range of students, including international to national. So there was a lot of like people that I can talk about and have more sample datas. And there was limitation in meeting all people since GC is large, and I needed events that all GC like some portion of GC range of GEC community can visit. So hopefully there was GEC Science Fair. GEC Science Fair was held by SNHS, which is Science National Honor Society, and since it was science fair, I can gather students who is interested in science and environment. So it was very good for me and very targeted for me. Yeah.